As fire crews pull the car from the water, the reality of this afternoon's events is still sinking in.
Is that we've got a very, very sad, unfortunate accident in that a vehicle has rolled forward and gone into the water with its female passenger still in the vehicle. We've recovered that vehicle and we've located a deceased female within it.
Local fisherman Matt had just come back from a dive when he heard the news. He went straight back out to try and save her.
It was just constantly diving down and trying to get to the car, and I was getting down there and trying to open the doors or smash a window, and just wasn't happening. And then trying to get a line on because the fire crew were there so they could try and tow the vehicle out, and because it was deep, it was dark, it was muddy, it was just really, really impossible.
CCTV, which we can't broadcast for legal reasons, shows an elderly couple queuing up for the ferry. The man gets out of the car to take a photograph, but it starts to roll down the slipway and plunge into the water, his wife trapped in the passenger seat. Police, fire crews, coast guards and a rescue helicopter shortly followed, but it was too late. An investigation's underway into the cause of the accident. Police are talking to witnesses and the car has been taken away for testing as they try and get a fuller picture of what happened. Francesca Carpenter, ITV News, near Truro.